Hello and welcome to a little unboxing video from RC Empire, and a super quick intro and look at some of the things we've got coming up this year and some new toys. And actually, we haven't done one of these generic box openings for ages. But before we get into it, please do head over to our new website, which is launching soon, and sign up for all the launch news and some great up and coming giveaways and promotions to celebrate the new year. It will be a community site and one which we have been working on very hard to build, and I know it will absolutely benefit everyone in the hobby. So do keep an eye out for that, and we would love you to be part of it. But let's get straight into it. And there it is. Look what we have. The Futaba 4GRS. And I know we've always been raving about the Futaba 3PV in previous episodes as being a great entry level transmitter and more than enough for most people's needs, and it still is. Actually, we've got two of them, but I've come to the conclusion that I really don't get along with pistol grip transmitters. Actually, I never have liked them, and I don't know why we didn't get a good quality modern stick controller earlier. I guess we just went by what we saw most other people using, and also the fact that I think 100% of RTR, or ready to run model kits now, are actually supplied with a pistol grip controller. So we stayed with it, but I've had a revelation, and I'll be telling you all about that in the next video, where we'll be unboxing and opening the 4GRS, so do keep an eye out for that. But look at all these goodies. We've got some terminals, always good to have, and what I like about this little kit here is that it also comes with the hard plastic shields that just keep the cables separate and neat, and we've used these in quite a few of our previous videos. Not the much more ones actually, but I think these should be pretty good from what I've heard. Next, we have some heat shrink. Now this is not the normal heat shrink tubing you use on thinner cables. This is that really heavy duty stuff you find wrapped around capacitors and some of the non-hard case ESCs. So this is really good to have, and actually we have a plan for this, so do keep an eye out on what we're going to do with it. Next, we have a body line marker with this interesting tool here that lets you set the height of the pen tip along the side of the body, giving you a line of set height to cut along. Actually, Bitty Designs has a really good video on their YouTube page if you want to see how that works. And you'll be able to find all of these goodies on the RC Empire website from a number of top sellers. And finally, some bits for an incredible project we have coming up, and we haven't really shown you or released any of that yet, but it will be a buggy project. It will have a 3.5 turn motor in it, and it will be quick. So we picked up two brand spanking new lipos, 4200 mAh 2S packs, which I've seen quite a lot of people down at the track use this particular brand, and they seem really good, especially for the price. These are fantastic, and we'll unbox these soon with the new project and show you what's inside and what comes included with the battery. And finally, we have some amazing slicks, which should be great fun. And again, these are for the new buggy project, and we'll show you how we put these together and add them to our project, because these will be game changers. But that is pretty much it. A super quick unboxing of some of the goodies we've bought for our projects coming up. And again, please do head over to our new website, sign up and keep an eye out for that, as well as the 4GRS video coming in a few days. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this super quick unboxing. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.